SWOT analysis isn't just for organizations, it's a powerful tool for personal growth, too. In this video, we're focusing on the S in SWOT from a personal perspective, your strengths. These are the qualities, skills, experiences, and resources that give you an edge in your career, relationships, and life. Knowing your strengths helps you make better decisions, find the right opportunities, and stay confident when challenges arise. So where do you start? Begin by asking, what do I consistently do well? Think about compliments you receive, achievements you're proud of, or situations where people rely on you. These are clues. Your strengths could be technical skills like data analysis or design. They might be soft skills like communication, leadership, or resilience. They could also be character traits like empathy, curiosity, or focus. Strengths come in many forms, and the first step is recognizing them. One great tool for uncovering strengths is self-reflection. Journaling, personality assessments, and past performance reviews can all reveal patterns. For example, the Clifton Strengths, formerly Strengths Finder, assessment helps people identify their top talent themes. The VIA Character Strengths Survey focuses on values-driven strengths like honesty or creativity. These tools give language to what you already do naturally. Another powerful method is 360-degree feedback. Ask people you trust, managers, peers, friends, to describe what they see as your unique strengths. You'll likely discover some blind spots. What you take for granted may be your most valuable asset. Maybe you're incredibly calm under pressure, or a natural connector of ideas and people. Others can often see your strengths more clearly than you can. Don't forget to reflect on past wins. When did you feel most energized, confident, or effective? What role were you playing in that situation? What did success look like, and how did you contribute? These moments often reveal the core strengths that drive your best work. It's also helpful to consider your values. What principles do you stand by no matter what? Often our strengths are tied to what we care about most. If you value learning, then adaptability might be a strength. If you value integrity, then honesty could be a defining trait. And remember, strengths are not just what you're good at, they're what give you energy. You might be capable in a certain area, but feel drained when you do it. That's a skill, not a strength. True strengths are both effective and fulfilling. They make you feel like you're in the zone. Once you've identified your personal strengths, the next step is to use them strategically. Align your career choices, goals, and projects around what you naturally do best. Build on your strengths rather than constantly trying to fix your weaknesses. This doesn't mean ignoring growth areas, but it does mean leaning into your edge. A personal SWOT analysis can be a powerful reset. It grounds you in what's real and what's possible. When you know your strengths, you can navigate uncertainty with more confidence, choose opportunities that fit, and bring your best self to the table. In upcoming videos, we'll explore how to identify and address weaknesses. But for now, take a moment to celebrate your strengths. They're your foundation. And when you know how to spot them, grow them, and apply them, you're not just reacting to life, you're leading it.